I'm going to show you how to turn Google News into money in your pocket using the power of affiliate marketing. I'll explain everything in just a moment. Let's talk about how to turn Google News into money for you. In case you're not familiar with it, here's Google News. This is basically a site that gathers news stories from all over the internet and puts them in one place. You'll find all sorts of news here, from world events to local stories and everything in between. Choose a category that sounds interesting, then start scrolling through the articles. Look for something that grabs your attention. The more interesting the article, the more likely people will click on it, which can impact how much you earn. Once you find an article that seems promising, click on it and give it a quick read to make sure it's worth sharing and well-written. Now, copy and paste this article into Google Docs. And here's where it gets fun. We're going to use ChatGPT to rewrite and rephrase the content we got from Google News earlier. This will help us create original articles that we can turn into revenue. To do that, just head to ChatGPT and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. All you need to do is give ChatGPT a prompt like, "Hey ChatGPT, please reword the following and put it into an article format with a catchy title, interesting intro, and headings. Make it easy to understand and slightly conversational." And then paste the article here. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us an awesome article. With this AI tool, you can turn plain content into something that grabs attention and drives revenue. I'd recommend reading through what ChatGPT generated and making tweaks here and there if needed. Now that you have a great article, we're going to start making money from it. We're going to do this with affiliate marketing. If you're wondering what affiliate marketing is, it's when you promote a product or service in a niche like health or finance, using an affiliate link that a business in that niche gives you. When people click on your unique link and buy, you'll get paid a commission by the business. To find affiliate products and services, you can check out affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank. You can also check out the Amazon affiliate program. Or you can just look up businesses that you're interested in, scroll right to the bottom of their website, and see if they have an affiliate program that you can join. Businesses are usually more than happy to have affiliates promote their products and services because it means more sales and money for them. So let's talk about where to actually publish your article. I'll give you a paid option and a free option. For the paid option, which is best if you're looking to do this as a business in the long term, I'd recommend creating and hosting your own website using Hostinger. This is easy to use for beginners, budget-friendly, and it has some cool AI features. Just head over to the website, pick either the premium or business plan, and get started. Once you've finished with your registration, you'll be taken to your Hostinger dashboard. Here, click on Claim Domain to start setting up your website. This is where you'll enter the domain name you want for your site. It's basically your online identity and will show up in the address bar. So, pick something that matches your website's focus. If you're struggling to come up with a name, ChatGPT can be a big help with domain suggestions that fit your niche. After you've secured your domain name, you'll go back to the hosting dashboard to set up your hosting plan. Click on Set Up and follow the prompts. You'll be asked about who the website is for and what kind of content you'll be creating. Next, click Create New Website. At this point, you can choose between WordPress or Hostinger's AI-powered website builder. If you're already familiar with website building, WordPress is a great choice, especially because it's good for SEO. But if you're new to affiliate marketing and website building in general, Hostinger's AI Builder is a solid option. Once you've picked the option and template you like, your domain name will automatically connect to your hosting or website. You'll see a bunch of pre-built AI websites designed for different types of businesses. Take a look through the templates and pick one that matches your style and focus. When you find one you like, you can preview it, then select it. After that, your domain is ready to go, with the website already built using AI. Now that your affiliate marketing website is up, let's check out what Hostinger's website builder can do. The first thing you should do is look at the setup checklist in the top left corner. This list is your guide for turning your AI-generated website into a fully functioning platform that can earn you some passive income online. Keep checking the list to make sure you're doing everything right and not missing any important steps. Next, let's update the name of your site. Right now, it probably shows the template name instead of your brand. Click anywhere on the website to open the settings panel, where you can change the logo and site name. Hostinger has a cool AI tool to help you make a unique logo. Just give it a short description of what you want, and it'll create a logo for you. This is a simple way to add a personal touch to your site and make it more recognizable. I'd recommend just playing around with Hostinger to make your website look and feel the way that you want it to. Read the resources that Hostinger gives you, check out YouTube tutorials, and then start publishing your articles. If you're working on a blog, you can easily manage and edit your blog posts, and adding new content is super simple. Hostinger also has some AI-powered tools that make things easier, like an AI logo maker and an image generator, so you can create cool visuals without needing a design degree. There's even an AI heat map that shows you where visitors are clicking the most. This can help you figure out what parts of your site are working well and which ones might need some tweaks. When you're happy with how everything looks, just hit Go Live, and your website will be up and running for everyone to see. After that, it's all about driving traffic to your site and keeping people interested. This is the key to building a steady stream of passive income and setting yourself up for success with affiliate marketing. Now, when it comes to the free option, I recommend using Medium. This is a great platform that already has tons of users where you can share posts and articles and promote your affiliate links. It's pretty straightforward to use. Just sign up, follow the prompts, and start posting. The option you go for completely depends on your budget and how serious you are about affiliate marketing. I'd recommend starting out on Medium and then transitioning to having your own website and brand. I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.